how to rent Lime scooter on Uber app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber app on your device. You'll find this kind of screen. In here, beside suggestions, click on See All. After you click on See All, you will find different options. In here, click on Two Wheels. After you've clicked on Two Wheels, you will find this kind of screen. You'll find all the scooters available. Then go close to the scooter and click on Scan to Ride. Then scan the QR code in this way. After you've scanned and after you've used, you will find price in this way. And this is how to rent Lime scooter on Uber app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.